Here's your online weather briefing for Sunday, February 9th on the possibility of freezing rain across East Texas and central Louisiana Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning. I'm Donald Jones. It's shaping up to be a very wet middle of the week. A cold front is expected to approach the area Tuesday, but won't move through until late Wednesday. This will leave us with about a 36-hour window of wet weather, and with temperatures expected to be near freezing across northern areas on Tuesday and Wednesday morning, this could lead to another couple of rounds of frozen precipitation. But unlike the events earlier this year, temperatures in the middle of the atmosphere will not be cold enough to support snow or sleet, so this event is shaping up to be exclusively a freezing rain situation. Here's a look at the forecast temperatures Tuesday and Wednesday. As you can see, temperatures are expected to be near freezing during the early morning hours Tuesday and Wednesday. Since rain is expected to be ongoing during these times, freezing rain will be possible. But with the freezing rain not expected to last all day as temperatures warm up, the precipitation will switch over to all rain. This is good news because any ice that does develop from the freezing rain will quickly melt, minimizing potential hazards. But not everyone will see freezing rain. In fact, any frozen precipitation should be limited to the very northern parts of the area over eastern Texas and central Louisiana. This map shows the areas that could see freezing rain Tuesday morning. Tyler, northern Jasper, northern Newton, Vernon, Rapides, and Avoyelles parishes will have the greatest chance of seeing freezing rain. Everyone else will just be dealing with a cold, miserable rain. Ice accumulation will be possible on Tuesday morning, but it's expected to be less than 0.05 of an inch. This is generally too little to cause concerns about power outages, although it could briefly result in slick spots on elevated roadways and overpasses until it melts, as we mentioned earlier, beginning around 9 a.m. Here's a look at the areas expected to see freezing rain Wednesday morning. This area is similar, but extends slightly farther south and east, covering most of Avoyelles Parish. As with Tuesday, everyone else will be dealing with a continuation of the cold rain. Ice accumulations are also expected to be similar to Tuesday morning at 0.05 of an inch or less. For those areas that are expected to see more liquid precipitation, the long duration of the event will mean that rainfall totals could be on the order of 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts, but no flooding is expected at this time. Now here's a look at the expected impacts from the event. Freezing rain across East Texas and central Louisiana could make travel hazardous, especially across bridges and overpasses, both Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Closures of schools and businesses are not expected to be necessary at this time, but you should monitor local media and other official websites for updates regarding possible closings Tuesday and Wednesday morning. So to summarize, East Texas and central Louisiana will have the greatest chance of seeing rain mixed with freezing rain Tuesday and Wednesday morning. The freezing rain potential will exist from approximately 3 a.m. through 9 a.m. on Tuesday morning and from midnight to 9 a.m. Wednesday morning. Freezing rain accumulations are expected to be less than 0.05 of an inch both mornings, and an additional 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible in addition to the frozen precipitation. Further south, no winter weather is expected at this time, but a cold rain will be likely for the middle of the week with rainfall accumulations of 1 to 2 inches possible. Finally, we've been getting questions about how this season's winter weather compares to other seasons. This graph shows how many measurable snowfall events we've had in a single season compared to this year. Measurable snowfall consists of at least 1/100 of an inch of snow being reported. Several areas have experienced additional events that recorded a trace of snow or less, but those were not counted here. We've tied records at 4 of our 5 sites so far this year, and while this event will likely not add to these totals, it has still been a very notable winter season for this part of the country. For additional weather information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Lake Charles. If you have any questions or comments about the information presented here, please post them on our Facebook or Twitter sites also listed here, and we'll be glad to answer them.